Hello guys, welcome back to another technology moment, and in this opportunity we are here sharing with you the experience that we had with this extraordinary keyboard, to say the least. We're talking about the RK-F99 AI, 100 key AI supported mechanical keyboard that is, well, for everybody. Oddly enough, what really blew my mind didn't have anything to do with the keyboard, but the integration that RK gave to it with the fantastic AI suite RK-AI included with the keyboard, and that is based on OpenAI developed by RK-Hub. It can actually take your interaction with your computers to a whole new level, and this is not exaggerating. No programmable keys, which is something that a lot of users will miss, but let's remember that RK has the device for every type of user. I would have to create two quite long videos as there are so many interesting things to talk about. But as I said, I just want to point out interesting facts about the experience we had with it. As you watch the unboxing of this keyboard, I just want to say that I really didn't know what I was getting. Descriptions on the page of the product really are under describing what the keyboard is capable of. Description is there, but you have to see it and use it for yourself to really understand what this keyboard and its AI suite can do for you. And let me be absolutely clear, the keyboard is not the big deal here, even though it is extraordinary. We've always loved RK keyboards. The decisive factor is the suite that is included with it, and how the documentation included with the keyboard is nothing less than poor, as it doesn't even get close to telling the potential customer and whoever gets this keyboard how much you're gonna get from it or what you pay for it. You will get a whole AI suite that will let you interact with your computer, like I said, at a whole new level. It actually transforms this part or extended keyboard to its real potential. Okay, so about the keyboard is just fantastic. For us mechanical keyboard lovers, the more discreet sound may lose that power present in other models, but it is intended that way for those who don't want to bother others with loud typing. Response is fantastic as well as feeling when typing. Distribution of the keyboard is what many expect in a 100 key layout, particularly useful when you type numbers and use spreadsheets. More keys may give you a lot more options that in our case we miss in compact keyboards. Function keys work as expected, labels on some keys are barely noticeable or readable. For gaming, one of us tested it for hours, many days, without a single complaint. Our experience was a fast keyboard, reliable, well-distributed, and low noise. Maybe what is missing, and that we liked from other RK versions, is the personalization of each key. Like I said, a keyboard for each person. As it is a wired version, our preferred version by the way, and this is our particular opinion, you can directly connect it to your computer or to your docking station, ideally a Type-C port, so you can take advantage of those very well-located USB ports that not only let you use external hard drives and USB drives, but also the perfect location for my Windows Hello biometric reader, now more relevant than ever. And about the AI suite, I never thought that it would give me such freedom and power when interacting with my computer. As you can see right here, I'm speaking in English, but its transcript goes directly to Spanish as I speak. Tap the AI reading and in seconds you'll get a summary of any report or document that you upload. Again, one key tap away. Many ways that you can use the translation. Translating directly from your screen may have never been faster from your computer. Just select, quickly tap the translate button, and there you will have your translation. Really, it's crazy how many uses you can give to the suite included with this keyboard. Voice typing is impressive, it even understands me very well in English and non-native languages. And it is very easy to access just by holding or tapping the corresponding button. You can configure that behavior in the control panel of the RK-AI. The same for the rest of the suite, where you will find so many tools like mind maps, image creation that at first is overwhelming. I would spend hours showing you all that it can do for you and how it can assist you. For now, we can tell you that this combo keyboard AI suite is a particularly outstanding combo that you can get, and it has been added to our list of highly recommended products. The only key missing, there had to be one, read out loud. But that is something that is present in most products nowadays. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember that the idea was to briefly bring to you the experience that we had with this terrific keyboard. Thanks for watching and see you next time.